Hi everybody, Sanbonani. Welcome to my channel. Do make sure that you are subscribed and also do like the video. So uMacele no Makwela were live, kahle kahle Makwela who was live, and they ended up answering questions regarding the show The Polygamist. And it did sound like they might have watched the show, even though I feel like Macele watched a different show. I think that maybe Macele watched like season 3 of The Polygamist, because the season that we all watched, we saw something different from what she's talking about. But let me just explain to those that do not understand this Zulu ukuthi, what did Macele say? Okay, the main points that Macele was trying to make, but basically, Macele is in support of Jonas. She feels for Jonas and she feels like we need to understand men more. Okay. Number one, she said that there are lessons on the show The Polygamist. Okay. And she says that women need to understand that men need peace. Men need peace and they like peace. So if you argue with them and you ask them questions and you talk too much, they might just go to an alternative. And also, she said that women can learn a lot from Jonas and Jonas's story, and they can learn how to talk to men. You need to understand your man and understand how to talk to him. Do not bark at your man when he comes to your house. Barking as in woo 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 woo. Don't do that when the man comes to your house. Okay. And also understand that your man will never ever change. Okay. Never ever ever change. And also, she says Jonas could have lived longer. I think she means that Jonas could have taught us so much more, but he had to die on the show because he was trapped by Joyce, and Joyce got tired and trapped him with the thing that he loved. And we all know what Jonas loved. Okay. And then she says that people that are in polygamous marriages should take care of their kids. I think this is the one and only thing that made sense. That's why I'm saying that Maxine did not watch the season that we watched on Netflix. I think she watched in Netflix Ekumoja Love or something, because everything that she was saying here was just not making sense. Okay, I think I'm going to go and check my DSTV now and see if they have a show like this on Moja Love, because she was talking about another show, you guys. But she's saying Jonas is not a bad man. We must just learn from Jonas, and you must learn to speak to your man. Let me tell you this, you guys. I believe none of what Macele says as being her real opinion. I think Macele is just, doing her side of what she agreed upon in terms of the contracts that I talked about on this one video that I did. If you want to check it out, just go see the video with the thumbnail written the contract, because I think that with Musam Selego, I do feel like they renegotiated some things, and one of the things that they renegotiated was that Macele was just going to support his nonsense, and in return she was going to get what she wants in terms of the material stuff. So I do feel like, you guys, that when she answers such questions, Umacele, or gives an opinion on such things, she thinks about what Selego's view on the issue would be, and she gives you what you would get from Mosam Selego. At this point, she has retired her own brain, retired her heart too, and the only thing that is active is her body, and it is there to support Mselego and his ridiculousness. She already knows that Mselego is probably going to take Jonas's side in this story. Whatever she says here, for me, you guys, for me to make sense of what she was saying, I feel like it is because Macele thinks about what Mselego's view would be, and she saw in that last season what it worked in her favor to support Mselego's nonsense. So I think even when she watched the show, by the way, guys, I feel like she watched the one on Moja Love, and even that one, she just watched the clips. From the clips that she watched, she figured out what would Mselegu's opinion on this should be, and she gave us that. Because listen, you guys, the Macele that I know that has her own independent mind would not say the nonsense that she said on this video. But guys, listen, we are all entitled to our opinions. The problem is that sometimes we just don't watch the same show. Sometimes some of you watch Netflix, but some they go watch the show on Moja Love. You understand what I'm saying? Yes, you guys, but that's what Macele said, okay? And the funny thing is that Makwela was there and she did not express that she disagreed with Macele, you know? And she sounded like she agrees with her. It could be a thing of she also is calculating on her side. I can't be coming to this woman's house every day, be telling her that she's talking nonsense. So I just have to agree with her. And then when I go home and talk to my cousin, I'll be telling them about the ridiculous, opinions that she had on the polygamist show. Everybody's playing their cards here. Anyways, you guys, thank you so much for watching this video. Please tell me what you think about it in the comment section. Okay, like the video before Pumagana, share it with your friends, with your family, and even with strangers. And cool.